Hello, this is Meme Analysis, and today I'm going to be giving you a update on recent memetic events, specifically the death of the rapper Juice World, Baby Yoda, and the recent art piece of the banana duct taped onto the wall. So, to start out with Juice World's death, we have a lot of synchronicities that are coming out about his death. Namely, that he predicted that he would die at 21 in one of his songs, that he died on the same day as John Lennon and Tupac. But I think those are relatively unimportant. You know, they certainly add to the mystique of the death, but what really, really matters is the fact that his song Lucid Dreams had a TikTok skit associated with it. And that skit was for the kids to act like they were having a seizure, because the song has a bit of a breakdown where the kids would do that. And even in the skits, they would scare the people who were dancing with them, usually like older people, which is kind of mean and cruel, but that's what they did. Now, my thought, going off of much of what we've talked about in previous videos about how mass belief and mass wills devoted to a singular form can manifest themselves, we get, hundreds of kids, if not thousands of kids, seizuring to one of Juice World's songs. This manifested itself in the form of his own death by seizure. The kids would foam at the mouth, and he died with blood coming out of his mouth. We are witnessing perhaps the first ever memetic assassination in which the humorous mass will of the people led to a real death. This is something actually that Eliphas Levi talks about in his book on high magic. He talks about how enough people's will, even if it's goodwill or humorous will, can lead to real-world death and madness. I think it's very important that we pay attention to the power of jokes, to the power of these little performances, and how they can, in fact, affect the real world. I think it's shocking that we have such a clear-cut case of memetic assassination, such an uncanny coincidence. So that's my thought on that. Now, we've gotten a few people asking about our thoughts on Baby Yoda. I think Baby Yoda is a manufactured meme, manufactured by Disney to sell Disney Plus memberships. I think it's a terrible meme. Extremely dangerous, the fact that it caught on so easily, that it is popular. It's like Baby Groot, all you need is little green thing and everybody loves it. And there was a wonderful meme, and it is Darth Vader shouting no in response to a Reddit comment which says, and this is so sad, Baby Yoda is Minions for millennials. And it's completely true. You get, millennials complaining about boomers that like Looney Tunes and Minions, but they're just as bad. They fell just as easily for, oh, cute thing. Totally stupid. And then on to the last piece, which is the banana duct tape to the wall art installation, selling for $120,000. Everybody's kind of laughing at it, like, oh, this is stupid, blah, blah, blah. It's not. You know why it's not? A ton of people have started doing it themselves. They've taken a banana and duct taped it to the wall. The art was successful, not in itself. In fact, they said the gallery actually replaces the banana frequently. So it's not about the object itself, it is about the act. It is about the form of the art, and it's a form that is being replicated by people. It is a memetic art piece, and an extremely successful one at that. So, we've taken a look at some of the first glimpses that we've had into memetic assassination, into manufactured memes, and into artistic memes. So, hopefully you've enjoyed some of our thoughts about some of the events of this week, and Subscribe, check out the rest of our videos. We constantly are investigating the most recent memes, blah, blah, blah. And as always, remember, memes matter.